In this video, I'll show you how to launch your own AI web design business using Lindo.ai. We'll start with setting up your agency, from registration to branding and your white label domain. Then, we'll cover how to manage your team and onboard clients with the right permissions. You'll see how clients can create and customize their websites, add logos, and connect domains. And finally, we'll set up client billing, including verification, invoices, subscriptions, and the billing portal. Let's get started. Let's start with registering your account and creating your agency. Head over to lindo.ai and click Start Free Trial to begin. You can sign up with Google or use your email to get a one-time login code, no password needed. Once you're in, fill out a short onboarding form to help us personalize your experience. Then, set up your agency by choosing a name and creating your custom subdomain. You can connect your own custom domain later and upload your logo to personalize your dashboard. Let's move on to step 2, setting up your white label domain. When you log into your agency dashboard, you'll land on the home page. Here, you can see an overview of your agency, including the default AI website builder URL, your agency's current status, and helpful tools like marketing assets and sales playbook. To continue, open the temporary URL you created during setup. This is your private agency dashboard. Log in using the same email address you used when registering. The email is tied to your agency and gives you full access as the owner. Next, let's enable white labeling. This allows you to fully brand the platform under your own domain name. Click the purple Setup button to begin. First, enter your root domain. This is your main domain name without www or https. On the next screen, you'll set how your URLs will look. Once that's done, you'll see a summary of your configuration. To unlock white label feature, you need to upgrade to the Elite plan. Once you're on Elite, go to Settings, then click the White Label tab. Now it's time to connect your domain. Lindo.ai will generate a list of DNS records that you need to add to your domain registrar, like GoDaddy or Cloudflare. Add each DNS record exactly as shown. Once all DNS records are added, give it a couple of minutes. You'll see the status update to connected once everything is verified. And that's it, your white label setup is now complete. You can now access your branded AI site builder at your own domain, and your clients will see your branding across their websites and email notifications. You're officially running your AI site builder under your own name. In step 3, we'll personalize your agency by updating your logo. From the agency dashboard, click the gear icon next to your temporary agency URL, or head directly to Settings under the Agency tab. Here, you'll see your agency information section. This is where you control how your brand appears across the entire platform. If you need to make adjustments later, simply return to this panel, or visit your Help Center, accessible under your brand to align with your agency. To build a branded platform, begin by uploading your main logo in PNG format with a transparent background. Then upload your favicon. This should be a square PNG file. And that's it. Your platform is now fully branded with your logo, identity, and client-facing assets. In step 4, let's add a team member to your agency. Go to Settings, then click on the Members tab. From here, just click Invite Agency Member. Enter the name and email of the person you want to invite, and hit Invite. They'll get a branded email with your agency name and a link to accept the invitation. When they click accept, they'll be redirected to your branded sign-in page, not lindo.ai, but your white-labeled domain. They just enter their email, get a one-time login code, and they're in. Once they're logged in, you'll see their email listed in the Members tab, showing they've successfully joined your agency as a team member. In Step 5, we'll launch your own agency website, the one you'll use to promote your services. From the sidebar, click Websites, then Create New Website. Enter your business name, choose a temporary website URL, and hit Create. Now select a template that matches your vibe. You'll see the website name pre-filled. Just give a short explanation of your business, select the language, and let the AI do the magic. The platform will generate your full website, including multiple pages. Click any page to open the editor. You can fully customize the content, update text, change or upload images, adjust layouts, or tweak button styles. Want to link your main CTA button to your agency sign-in page? Easy, just paste your sign-in URL as the button link. Do the same for the header navigation CTA. Upload your main logo and favicon, and they'll instantly show up on your site. To make sure your header stays consistent across all pages, just click Copy to, then select all the pages. Done. You can also customize fonts and colors. Choose from presets, add your own, or pick from Google Fonts. Light mode, dark mode, totally up to you. The site is fully yours now. Step 6. Connect a custom domain to your agency's site. Once your agency website is ready, let's put it on your own custom domain. Right now, your site is using a subdomain under your agency panel, like yourname.app.lindo.agency. To add your own domain, go to your website settings, click the Domains tab, and then click Add Custom Domain. Enter your domain. Just like your white label setup, you'll get a list of DNS records. Add them to your domain registrar. In this case, we're using Cloudflare. After a few minutes, once all DNS records are connected, your website will go live on your own custom domain. In Step 7, we're talking about how you can add clients to your AI website builder. You have two options: invite them manually or enable self-registration. Go to your AI website builder, your branded site. When a visitor clicks Start Now, they'll land on your custom sign-in page. If they enter their email and click Send Code, they'll get an error saying their email address is not allowed to register. That's because self-registration is currently disabled. So for now, we'll invite the client manually. Head to your agency panel CRM and click on Invite Client. Enter the client's name and email address and click Send Invite. Just like team members, they'll get a branded invitation email with your agency's name and platform link. They click Accept Invitation, go to your branded login page, enter their email, get a one-time login code, and gain access to the platform as a client. So just let's delete this one and go back to the settings. Now let's enable Client Register. In the settings, switch on the Client Register option. Then return to your branded website, enter the email again on the login screen, and this time, it works. You'll receive the login code, and you can use it to register and create a website. That's it. Now in step 8, let's see what the client experience looks like. Once they sign in, they'll only see your branding, no mention of lindo.ai. They can click Create Website, enter their business name, choose a temporary URL. And select a template from your agency's library. Then they'll describe their business and choose the output language. With one click, the AI generates a complete website, including multiple pages, tailored to their input. Step 9. Client Website Customization. After the website is created, clients can customize everything. They can open the editor, view all their pages, and change any content, from text, images, accent colors, fonts, even toggle light or dark mode. They can style buttons, tweak layouts, and make the header sticky. Everything is editable, just like you'd expect in a pro builder. In step 10, let's brand the client site with their logo. From the website editor, click on the logo area. This takes them to Settings Branding. They can upload a full-size logo for the header and a square version for the favicon. Once uploaded, logos are instantly updated across the site. The client can now publish their site under your agency's branded subdomain. Finally, in step 11, clients can connect their own custom domain. From the left sidebar or website settings, click Add Custom Domain, enter the domain, and choose the DNS method. Just like before, they'll get DNS records to add to their registrar. Once verified, their website goes live under their own domain, powered by your agency. In step 12, let's look at how to control client permissions, like limiting how many websites they can create. When a client logs in under your brand, they'll see the option to create website. But if they already have one, they might hit a message saying they've reached their limit. That's because their plan only allows one website. To change this, go to your agency panel CRM, click on that specific client, and you'll see their current limitations. Click Update and adjust the website limit to 2 or more. Changes take effect immediately. Now that client can create more websites in their dashboard. Now in step 13, we'll set up client billing, one of the most important parts of running your agency. You can charge clients either with one-time invoices or recurring subscriptions. But first, you need to connect your Stripe account. Go to CRM, Send Invoice, and you'll see a notice that you haven't completed onboarding yet. Click Verify now at the top. This takes you to Integrations, Stripe Setup. Click Start Verification, and you'll be redirected to Stripe. You can either create a brand new Stripe account or sign in with an existing one. Once logged in, you'll select a business, either your current business on Stripe, or create a new one. Complete the KYC process, submit your info, and once verified, you'll return to lindo.ai with billing fully enabled. Now, you can send invoices and collect payments from your clients. For example, let's send an invoice for a website setup fee. Add a name for the invoice, like website setup, and write a short description, something like cost of developing the site from scratch. Enter the amount, say $1, and choose the currency, either CAD, USD, or your preferred one. Once you create and send the invoice, your client will receive a branded email with your agency name and a link to view and pay. You'll also get a confirmation email. Clients can open the invoice in their billing portal and pay instantly. But take note, by default, your invoices and billing pages will still show lindo.ai branding. Once Stripe is connected, you'll want to make sure your billing emails and invoices reflect your agency's brand, not lindo.ai. Go back to Settings Integrations and click Edit Branding under the Stripe section. This will redirect you to your Stripe dashboard. Here you can upload your logo, favicon, set brand colors, and even customize the appearance of billing emails and receipts. Once saved, all invoices and receipts sent to clients will carry your own agency branding. Now you're ready to send invoices and get paid. In your CRM, click Send Invoice next to any client. Fill in the details, for example, a website setup fee. Add a description like custom website design and development, set the amount, and choose the currency. Once sent, your client will receive a branded email with a payment link. They can pay using Visa, MasterCard, or any major card. After payment, they'll get a success message, email confirmation, and downloadable receipt. Back in your agency dashboard, you'll see the invoice marked as paid, along with details like the card used and total revenue. You can also view total agency revenue, client activity, and subscription stats from the homepage. In step 16, we're setting up recurring client subscriptions. Go to the CRM, select a client, scroll down, and click Create Subscription. Give your plan a name, like Monthly Maintenance or Pro Plan. Then add a description so the client knows what they're subscribing to. Set the price, choose the billing interval, monthly, weekly, or yearly, and pick the currency. After submitting, an invoice will be generated automatically for that client. Your client will receive a branded email with the invoice and payment link. They can go to their billing page, view the invoice, and complete the payment. Once the payment is successful, the subscription becomes active, and its status updates to paid. In the billing portal, the client can now see their active subscription, including the plan name, amount, and billing cycle. In Step 17, let's take a closer look at the client billing portal. Your client goes to the billing page and clicks on Manage. Here, they'll see all the details of their current subscription, such as the plan name, pricing, next billing date, and previous payments. And if they no longer want the subscription, they can cancel it directly from this page. No need to contact support. It's all branded under your agency and completely self-managed by the client. In Section 18, let's explore how you can manage templates in your AI website builder, controlling exactly what your clients can see and use. Go to your Manage Templates section in the agency dashboard. Here, you'll see a full list of website templates. You can reorder them, toggle templates on or off, and choose which ones are visible to your clients. For example, if there are templates you don't want your clients to access, simply uncheck them. When your clients go to create a new website, they'll only see the templates you've enabled, giving you full control over the experience. You can also create and upload your own custom templates, or convert existing websites into templates that can be reused. The same logic applies to pages. You can go to the Manage Pages section and control what page blocks are shown when a client adds a new page to their website. You can customize the order, hide specific layouts, or just show your own designs. This lets you guide clients with pre-approved layouts and keeps your brand and quality consistent across all websites built through your platform. That's it. Your AI web design business is now ready to go. From setting up your agency to managing clients, launching websites, and collecting payments, everything's under your brand. If you haven't yet, activate your free trial and start building. And if you need help, the Help Center and support team are always here. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Lindo.ai.